Les Schwab Tire Center honest review and user experience. Is it worth it? Tires are essential, but buying them can feel intimidating. Les Schwab Tire Center promises quality products and professional service. I visited to see if it lives up to the hype. Most people assume tire centers are all the same, but the surprising truth is Les Schwab stands out for its customer service, free services and warranties. They offer free tire inspections, flat repairs, rotations, and balancing, which many competitors charge for. The store experience was seamless. I got a clear explanation of tire options for my vehicle, pricing, and installation times. Their team recommended tires based on performance and safety, not just upselling. Installation was quick, and the follow-up service reminded me when rotations were due. The downside? Les Schwab tires can be slightly more expensive upfront than big box stores, and availability may vary by location. However, the free services and peace of mind often outweigh the extra cost. In conclusion, Les Schwab Tire Center provides reliable tires, expert advice, and excellent customer service. For anyone valuing safety and support over just price, it's worth visiting. Their combination of quality products and ongoing services makes them a strong choice for drivers.